When given a binomial distribution and you want to find the mean and standard deviation, you can use these two formulas. First, mu equals n times p, which is the mean for a binomial distribution, and 2 sigma equals the square root of n times p times q. This is the standard deviation for a binomial distribution. N is actually the number of trials, p is the probability of success of any one trial, and q is the probability of failure in any one trial. And remember, q is just 1 minus p. So, knowing that, let's find out the mean and standard deviation for this question. In a past presidential election, the actual voter turnout was 61%. In a survey, 1,002 subjects were asked if they voted in the presidential election. So first off is we're going to find the mean. Well, the mean is just n times p, so I have to go in and find n and p. So n equals 1,002, and p is 61%, so 0.61. Once we have that, we're just going to put it into our formula. So mu equals n times p, which is just going to be 1,002 times 0.61. Just do the arithmetic here, put it in a calculator. You're going to end up getting 611.22. So the mean here is 611.22. That's all there is to it. Now we're going to find the standard deviation. And the standard deviation formula, sigma equals the square root of n times p times q. It's very simple, just like with the mean. Just need to know n, p, and this time q. So again, n equals 1,002, p equals 0.61, and q is just 1 minus p. So it's going to be 0.39. Once we got all three numbers, just going to plug it into our formula. So we're going to get the square root of 1,002 times 0.61 times 0.39. Stopped a little bit too short. There we go. And so just put that into the calculator, get your answer. So, and don't forget to square root it. And you're going to end up getting sigma equaling 15.44. So to find the mean, just take n times p, get your mu, and to get your standard deviation, n times p times q, and then square root that, and you get your standard deviation.